2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play You Are the Voice. Very nice tune. Big hit many years ago. Anyway, let's start with putting a capo on the 3rd fret. And we're gonna have song is in like a D shape. We have this chord here. Actually, it's more like it's like D to a D7 shape. That's how we start the song. So that's 2nd finger on the G string, pinky on the B string, and 1st finger on the B string too, on the first fret B. So you play a D, and then you lift up the pinky and make that a D7, okay? And try to avoid the high E string. Intro. Then when you start singing, it's the same thing. And then we want to play this shape here. Let's see, that's 3 on the E, and 3, 4, 5 on the B, and 5 on the G. That's over the D string to this shape. It's 3, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up. Grabbing a G, 3rd finger, pinky, and then we have this strange chord that I've never played before, but it's like keyboard piano chords. So from the G you want to grab G string and B string, second fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Again. Back to the D. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. To an A9. Cool, so that's second finger, third finger, A9. Let's do that pre-chorus one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. D. A9. And here we got the big chorus. It starts on a D. And then we're going to grab the C. It's first finger, second finger, third finger on the B string, and pink on the high E string. And then we're going to move that down to B over G, back to C. Verse, a D to D7. Alright, let's go to the pre-chorus. Part starts on the G, to an F, and then we're going to go down from F to an E, E over C, I guess, back to F. After that, it's back to the pre-chorus, and then we have the big chorus out. Cool. So basically, we have 4 parts. We got the it's a verse, pre-chorus, and then the choruses, and then the instrumental part. Thanks for watching, folks. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with more great songs. Take it easy.